Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. Firstly, you need to open Calendar app. It should be in Google folder. If you've never used it before, click on this icon at the bottom right corner and select Got it. Now click on the month above and pick a date. Then you can create your event by tapping over here twice or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event from the list. From here, finally, adjust it however you wish to. Add a title, click on Events, select one of those sections or even the other email address if you have more than one Google account. Select starting hour and date. Or disable this feature completely by choosing this switcher next to all day. Now click on Does Not Repeat and tap on the best option for you if you want your event to repeat like every year. If none of those options are good enough, select Custom at the bottom and adjust it however you wish to. Then, to save your custom changes, choose Done at the top right corner. If you want to disable this feature, click on Repeats again and tap on Does Not Repeat. Now scroll down, add people, videos, and even choose Add Location. Select wherever you wish to in this pop-up. In my case, only this time. Type in an address at the top and click on the correct result. Now you can set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, or even customize them by choosing Custom and adjusting wherever you wish to. When you're ready, click on Done. Lastly, take some notes, add attachments, and even change color of your event for it to stand out more. Maybe basil. Finally, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to make some changes, just click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Then you can change whatever you wish to. In order to discard your changes, click on this X at the top left corner and choose Discard in the pop-up. You can also save them by hitting Save at the top right one. To get rid of your event completely, tap on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, click on Delete at the top, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!